What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the Random Box Unbox channel, where we aim to give back to our subscriber community. If you are new to this channel, we do all kinds of unboxing reviews, mostly tech and gadgets. If you enjoy our videos, please feel free to like and subscribe. Without further ado, this is your boy Sky, and let's get to it. Alright guys, what I have today here is something very special to me. This is for all of you PUBG gamers, Fortnite haters, if you know what I'm saying. This is actually a very cool keycap if you want to customize your keyboard. So let's just open this up. I got this one on Etsy. I believe they do sell them on Amazon and a bunch of other websites online. So let's get to it. So let's open this up. Alright, and the brand is Top Souls. I haven't found a website for this, but I'll put the links down below. So inside the box, that's all you have. Oh, and look at this, guys, how nice. Very cool packaging indeed. So let's open this up. So here, this is just a plastic piece. Let's put that to the side. And then you have the keycap itself. It's on top of a rubber. It says Top Souls as well. And this is the keycap. So if you're a PUBG gamer, you know that this is a level 3 helmet. And it's actually metallic. So it's very, very good quality. It's solid build. And the cool thing, guys, is I've seen a lot of these keycaps and they're just so cheaply made. This one's actually very nicely done. You can open it up, close it. Now you hear the metal clicking there. And this is a very nice customization for your keyboard. Cherry MX. Make sure your keyboard supports that. So let's put this on the keyboard and see how it looks. So as you can see, I have here my K95 Corsair Platinum keyboard. And I'm just gonna go ahead and place this here as my escape key. Alright, look how nice that looks. It does jiggle a little bit when you press it, but it has a very cool feel to it, so I actually really like it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed that keycap. I thought it was pretty cool, especially if you're a gamer like me. I really enjoy it. I just want to say thank you to everyone who's supporting. That is very cool. I don't take that for granted. So I really appreciate that, and I can't wait to start giving back to that community that's helping me build this channel. Thank you all so much for your love and support. This is your boy Sky. I'll see you on the next one.